Next, we're going to do the lower trunk rotation. This is going to work on some lumbar and hip rotational mobility drill. As we do this, we're going to lay on our back, feet wide, a little wider than shoulder width, and you're going to drop your knees to the side. There's going to be a barrier there of stiffness, tightness, or pain. Stop at that barrier. Don't run through it. If you do, the only thing that's going to meet you there is pain. I want to stay out of the pain and just work into some mobility, a little bit of a light stretch. Sometimes don't even think stretch, just working the pain-free motion that is there. Okay, you're going to hold it for 2 breaths. A deep breath in and out. Another one. And rotate the other way. Your whole goal is to keep the shoulder blades on the ground. You can let the hip and the low back rotate off the ground. And just taking the knees where you can without causing pain. Hanging out there for 2 breaths each way. Nice and slow, nice and controlled.